Sinotruk swing arm garbage truck used for garbage collection and transportation. Today, I will introduce this model to you. Sinotruk 8 cubic meter swing arm garbage truck with a half-roll sleeper cab, weichai 220 horsepower engine, fast 8-speed gearbox. (4,200mm wheelbase), 4.5 tons front axle, 9 tons rear axle, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel, electric glass windows, central lock, remote control key. The loading system adopts multi-way valve operation. Double hydraulic rear outriggers. Can lift 10 tons of construction waste. We are a professional swing arm garbage truck manufacturing factory in China. If you are interested in this truck, please contact me.